Hey everybody, we are back. So last time we welded up the frame and we've already started welding down the deck here. As you can see, didn't catch much on camera. Got the uprights welded down for the headboard. And we're going to get to it and see what we can get done today. All right. One of the hardest things about doing a flatbed is a filler neck, believe it or not. And a lot of the time I like to think about it way ahead of time because you can spend a lot of time just trying to get it to work out good. Of course, you need a good enough angle, so you can actually fill the truck. So this is what I've done. I didn't want to put a hole right through the side because I gotta have a rub rail up here, And I didn't want to have an interruption in a rub rail like a lot of other body companies do. So I kind of done this. I welded a piece on the bottom, put a hole in it, cut the web off the bottom of the side, and I'm going to bend this out to get the right angle for the filler neck here to go to the tank. And I'm going to cut little, probably triangles, and weld them in there kind of nicely, and we'll see how that comes out. supposed to be showing you how good the flatbed looks with a deck on it and a headboard. And unfortunately, life happened and I had to pull the transmission out of one of our cab overs because, well, I just didn't want to be a transmission anymore. And at least I got the hitch all welded up. Things have been kind of crazy. Got me old magnetic drill and drilling the holes in it, getting ready to grind down my fatty weld. And man, that's a fatty weld. Come on, focus. Half inch, all half inch. I ain't been talking much, I know. But in case anybody's wondering, this thing, we got 18 inches. 18 inches deep, which is kind of funny. That's the same measurement that I ended up with on a 550 I did not too long ago, as you might remember. You know, it's 34 1/4 wide, or 34 5/16. You know, 45 out the sides. I actually used half-inch plate all the way around it instead of 3/8 this time, and I don't think I'm going to put gussets behind it because I don't think it's going to need it. And there you have it. I'll get back to it and see you soon. So all I'm trying to do here is grind down all the welds till they're flush with the outsides, and then I come back after and round it all off nice smooth. And the better job you do welding, obviously the easier it's going to be to grind her up nice. And this isn't the way that everybody does it. A lot of the times you'll have the outside overhang so that you can just, you know, fillet weld the inside and the outside of the hitch plate and get on with your life. But I like doing it this way. It's a lot harder, it takes a lot more time, but in my opinion, it looks 1,000 times better. And for those of you wondering if all the sparks and metal dust and shavings and grit and grime is great for your camera, yeah, I recommend it to anyone, and especially if you've got like an $800 or $1,000 lens, perfect. And in fact, don't even put a filter on, because why would you?